I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Oh, now this is going to be Matt's version of a Wilhelm scream.
Is it like blood curdling?
Ah! You know, like whenever the stormtrooper falls off the bridge before Luke and Leia swing across in A New Hope. Help! Ah!
Okay. You rolling?
Go for it.
Ah!
I'll do my best. Here you go.
Go for it.
Ah!
This is great fun. Okay, Matt, this is your idea, so.
Actually, I'm gonna pass on second.
No, you're doing this.
Okay.
We're making a movie, Matt. You gotta make a sacrifice. Isn't that right, Elijah?
Yeah.
Exactly.
All right, you ready?
That was
That's what a back breaking it sounded like.
without all the flesh wrapped around it, yeah.
Actually, like
That sounded weak. I think I liked our celery and our carrots better than that.
He's like in the background.
He's like, no. Let's get one from Elijah. Just turn the thing to you and do a Wilhelm scream or something.
All right.
Yeah, we all did it. Everybody's doing it.
Hold it by the grip.
Yeah, don't hold it by the mic.
So what's your opinion, Elijah?
Well, I mean, it's carrot juice all this.
Be patient, folks. This is a long take.
Okay.
Ah!
Hey, that was pretty good.
Was it?
I liked it.